Ford Duratec engines oil pump replace, and this is really oil pump, and now we are inside in this engine, and there is this crankshaft, and then this part is oil pump. And let's continue. Okay, and then there are those 8mm bolts, and I open this in this way, and these bolts opens easily. They are not tight, there's only little bit force, and they looks like similar. And I continue this my opening in here. This is next one, that one, and then we go in the down area. There is this bolt. I open this down areas 4 bolts. This is first one, second, third, and fourth. Good. And there's really now nice cut, and then when I little bit move that, it seems that this cover opens really easily. Nice. And now we can see this cover, and when I start to take that out, I only carefully move that in this way, and now this cover opens. And note that there's one sensor cable in here what I need to open. These bolts, they are 8mm. Also I open those bolts next. Then there is also smaller oil timing chain in this down area, and there is really 2 of those 8mm bolts, and there is small tensioners. Very nice engineering, and now this, and there is also spring, and now this tensioner is free and very nice. And then there is second support rail in here. Very nice engineering by Ford. Now when I take these 2 oil timing chains rails away, I can also remove this oil pumps timing this chain. And now it seems that I have to open also this 10mm bolt, and I will do that next. And this bolt, this 10mm bolt, when we open, we need some tool head screwdriver what goes in here, and then I can open this bolt in that way. Now it's nicely free, and there is this bolt, and now this oil pumps timing chain also opens nicely. Okay, and I start this my job in here. There is long bolt, and in that way there is really long bolt in here, and then next one is this one, and this one is shorter in here, and then this one, and there is bolt, and I collect this bolt what drop to ground, because we can reuse these bolts. Okay, and I start this my job in here. There is long bolt, and in that way there is really long bolt in here, and then next one is this one, and this one is shorter in here, and then this one, and there is bolt, and I collect this bolt what drop to ground, because we can reuse these bolts. Okay, and now we have tool knife, and this is this joint where is glue, and in that area I install knife and then hammer. Now hammer carefully. Now my knife drops, but I take another. Okay, and now this cover opens nicely. Very good, and I can move this my knife in this way and then carefully then I lift. Now this cover is oil sump is free. Okay, and now we have dual knife, and this is this joint where is glue, and in that area I install knife and then hammer. Now hammer carefully. Now my knife drops, but I take another. Okay, and now this cover opens nicely. Very good, and I can move this my knife in this way and then carefully then I lift. Now this cover is oil sump is free. This opening starts so that there are now 1, 2, 3, 4 this long 10mm bolts, and I need to open these bolts first. Okay, and here is my 10mm socket, and this socket, and then my wrench, and I open these bolts. In that way. And there is this final one, and then I can use this my electric driver when I take these bolts away. Okay, and now I start, and these are really long and nice bolts. And then in here. And then final bolt. Okay, and now oil pump. This is free, and we can see that how this oil pump works, and there is really this shaft what rotates, and there was this sprocket with timing chain, and this is really oil pump and nice engineering part. Very nice.